for unit conversions, and this comes back to this like a heart and soul of a chemistry class if anyone took one, but with unit conversions, this is like saying, well, if I stand 6 feet tall, and this is going to be one of our common Excel files that we're going to end up doing, how many inches tall am I? And again, this is going to come out to, I picked some really simple numbers here. Feet are what we're more used to, and different things when we talk about weights and maybe kilometers or maybe kilograms or something like that. There will be more complicated ones, but it's the idea that sets this up is what I want to focus on now. Well, we know from before that 1 foot equals 12 inches, and we're going to have all these conversion tables. And in our textbook, we're going to have these giant books, and I'll even tell throughout the course, maybe just Google unit conversions, metric conversions. There are different times where we're going to have this entire table of all these different feet, centimeters, gallons, liters, all these different types of units and how they convert to one another. We won't need to memorize those. Those are the things that I don't want to say they're common knowledge, but they're common enough that just Google it and use that as what would be your basic tables or what's in the book. Don't worry about memorizing those tables. Worry about how to use them. This is the same as saying, again, 1 foot is 12 inches. 12 inches is 1 foot. It's the application that's more important than the memorization of 12. But the conversion, what we're going to look at here, and we're going to see this one a little bit more complicated here in a second on the next problem, is when I start with 6 foot, when I'm saying that I'm 6 foot tall, what I'm able to do is to convert this unit. My idea is, think about that as over 1. We can put anything as over 1 always. But my idea is going to be to use those conversions. Both of these are correct. But the reason I don't want this is I'm trying to cancel out that foot. I'm trying to, if I want to know how many inches tall I am, I want to get rid of the feet. And I want only inches to be left. I'm going to use this one to say 12 inches is 1 foot. I'm not changing anything. This is just like our fraction simplification. When I multiply this, remember we said fraction multiplication is top and top, bottom, bottom. I'm going to say 6 times 12. Notice those feet cancel out. I'm going to say 72, and what I'm going to have left is inches is my only unit. I could say 1 times 1 is over 1, but once again, I don't care about that 1. I care about that I'm 72 inches tall. I've converted starting with 6 foot tall and ending with how many inches tall I am by using the unit conversion that we know, this equality, and turning it into a ratio and multiplying it by a ratio to convert it to the units that I want for an answer.